Chibike,
Sir?
have you written the names of noisemaker I asked you to write?
Yes, sir. I've written it.
I've written it.
I've written it.
Good. Call out the names of noisemakers.
Names of noisemaker.
Yes. Number 1 is who?
Samuel.
Samuel. Okay. Number 2 is who?
Samuel.
Samuel again. Number 3 is who?
Samuel.
Why do you have to write Samuel many times?
No, I wrote his name many times because I know he will still make noise tomorrow. So I wrote his name today on, tomorrow on, next tomorrow on.
Chibike, keep quiet. We all know Samuel is gentle. So why did you write his name?
You know to let me copy him.
Chibike, will you stop that? Besides, I gave you an assignment. Where's the assignment?
You said I should write a letter to my uncle in Canada.
Yes. Where's the letter?
I don't have any uncle in Canada.
Chibike, are you okay? What's wrong with you?
So I don't have any uncle in Canada. Ask my mommy. My uncle wanted to travel to Canada. They did not allow him. He wanted to jackpot.
Chibike, I'm tired of you. I also